Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, December 26th. Now let's talk about the trading schedule for these markets. As we go into this weekend, everything is closed now. Friday was the close, and this market, actually all of these markets, will not start trading again until Monday evening, so the 25th at 5 o'clock Chicago time. That's Tuesday morning in Asia. That 5 o'clock start at Chicago time on Monday is for a Tuesday trade date. So that's why I'm saying the next video will be for Tuesday, December 26th. Now, we had a lot of fundamentals coming out as we talked about in the advanced video. We didn't see too much drama, but we did see different behavior in the other indices. Let's talk about the Russell, which is small to mid-cap stocks. Closed positive, but can we follow through? There are big challenges ahead for this market, but watch this indice because sometimes it can lead the whole complex of other indices. And if we take a look at some of these currencies. Let's grab the British pound. You can see this is a market that's been struggling. I look for a sideways move in that market. Bitcoin still trying to figure out what to do. Look for a sideways move here. It's a market that wants to go higher, but there's just no paper behind it. And over here in the bond market, you had yields increasing a bit, and that's why you're seeing prices coming off. We look for a downward move on Monday in the bond market. Silver also got new highs and that cooled off. Watch the US dollar. If it's stronger, look for a down move. Copper also is a market that we're seeing an increase in demand globally, and supplies aren't super tight yet, but they do seem to be somewhat restrictive. And we'd look for further movement to the upside. But right now, it looks like people are standing aside. Now, the dash line, if you're not familiar with these videos, represents a buy level. The red line represents a sell level. Dash line means it's something that occurred earlier in this past week. And you can go to dangramza.com and look at videos for the last 10 years. You could go back and see what happened when this market traded above that line, and then how the sell level would move as the market developed. That's the concept. These are not buy and sell recommendations, just ideas I'd like to share with you. Now, the difference between that buy level and that sell level, to give you an idea of what that means, is $2,760 a contract in nat gas, a market that we have a lot of supply. LNG is really flowing out of our country, and here we see the sell level raised a bit in that market. The difference between the buy and sell level there is $700 a contract. Be careful on the long side for that market. I feel the same way about beans. You got to watch Brazil in the weather conditions if you want to watch this market. They are the world's largest exporter of soybeans, and their weather conditions right now, as they're growing beans, is very important. So could this be transition? Possibility. And the difference between this buy and sell level is $200 a contract. That's corn. Corn also slowing down. Possibility of turning the corner. I don't see fundamental support for that. And in our friend Mr. Wheat, the difference here between the sell level to that buy level is $200 a contract as well. Look for an inside day on Tuesday. Remember, Monday night, 5 o'clock Chicago time, these markets start to trade again. Well, for those of you celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas to you and your families. And if you're not celebrating Christmas, have a fantastic weekend. Look forward to being with you again next Tuesday. In the meantime, take care.